I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly.
Yo, what is going on, JJ? This is JJ Productions here, and in today's video, guys, we are going to be discussing the best Fortnite update ever, guys. Alright, guys, so if you didn't know, the shotguns have been increased the damage. So basically, Fortnite has been tweeting out recently a lot of things that they do. So they tweeted out that the pump and everything and all the shotguns will be increased, and finally, guys, it is here. So currently the green pump can do like 100 damage and the blue one could do like 110. There's no more 7 or 8 damage shots anymore, and the shotguns are just way better, guys. It's kind of like Season 2. It's not as good, obviously, but it's kind of like that, guys. Also, on top of that, guys, if you look at the news, there is the new pump shotgun, the legendary shotgun. Everyone's calling it the spas-12, so that's what I'm going to call it. And also, on top of those two amazing updates, also, glider redeploy is back, guys. So if you didn't know, they took out glider redeploy about a week or two ago, and it is back, guys. It isn't as good as it was, but it's still back, guys. So let's get into a game, and I'll discuss all 3 of these topics, and let's get it. Alright, guys, so hopefully this game we could get the new shotgun. But yeah, guys, there is an increase to all shotguns, so that way you'll never do 7 or 8 damage shots anymore, and shotguns are way more consistent now with damage. Also, glider redeploy is back, as I said before, but the only thing is it's a lot slower. So basically, whenever you like jump off of a platform, you could get sniped or shot really easily because like it goes super slow. But then again, I'd rather have it back in the game and have it slow rather than not have it back at all, because at least you can not take fall damage now. And that's honestly all glider redeploy should be used for, but everyone else uses it to get across the map and stuff like that. But in reality, it should just be used just to get to just to not take fall damage. And that was the whole point of it. Well, at least in my opinion, that's what I think it was. Alright, good start. 100 shield and an AK. Hopefully we can get this shotgun though, because it looks crazy. And apparently, like, from far range, it does like 100 damage from like 20 or 30 meters away. And from close up, it does like 200, guys. So, we'll see. Or I could just find all ARs, it's also cool. Another AR, cool. I know, I seen him. Bruh. Where'd this dude just go? Oh, there he is. Bro, I need a shotgun. What do you mean, brother? Bro, is there just not any shotguns in this game? Holy crap. I don't even have like a tack or anything yet. I wonder if those shotguns can only come out of the vending, or not vending machine's chest. What if I just like found one laying on the ground? I honestly don't know if they only come out of chest or if they're on the ground or what, I don't know. Hopefully they're like both. Bro, please just give me any shotgun for now. Bro, another AR, bro, holy crap. If I die to some guy with a shotgun, I'm gonna be pissed, because I have not been able to find one. Okay, guys, well, while I'm at it, I might as well show you guys glider redeploy. What the heck? Wait, does it not work? What the heck? I've seen all these videos and it worked. What do you mean, brother? Alright, well, I guess glider redeploy doesn't work, to be honest. I honestly don't even know, because I just seen like 3 videos of people using glider redeploy. Got him. Brr, I just lasered that guy. Oh my gosh, how many porta fortress? Alright guys, so I guess glider redeploy isn't back? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Dang, this guy was packing loot. Cause like I just seen a whole bunch of videos, guys. Like I'm not even joking. I just seen like 10 videos of like streamers using glider redeploy. I don't know what happened to it. That's so stupid. Oh wait guys, maybe the glider redeploy is only back for that one game mode, the new game mode, I don't know. Oh, that guy's super weak. See what I mean, guys? I did 20 damage from that far distance. Usually, like 2 or 3 days ago, that would have done probably about like 7 damage probably. I would have estimated around 7 damage. So at least the shotgun update is good. Alright guys, it's all good though. We don't need to find the new shotgun right off the bat. We have all game to find it. So it's all goody. Yeah guys, but I'm sorry. I guess glider redeploy doesn't work. I think it might only work in the new game mode. I don't know. But I swear I just seen a streamer that was using it in the regular game. I don't know. I'm going to try it one more time. Or no, I'm not even going to try because I have 37 HP. I do not have enough HP for this. That's so stupid though. I swear I just seen that in a video. I don't understand. There's a guy right here. Man, boy. Where is this guy? What the heck? For some reason it keeps like making me pull my map. Oh, he has a new shotgun. Yo, I gotta be careful. This guy's a new shotgun. And I have no HP either. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys. We just did 98 damage with attack, bro. When is the last time you seen 98 damage with attack? Okay. Okay. This thing looks like a freaking beast. What do you mean, brother? I don't know why, guys. I'm sorry if that's annoying to you, but for some reason it keeps placing my like map thing. Yo, guys, this is hard. It's like a pump and like a heavy combined, kind of, if you think about it. Yo, that's hard, guys. Yeah, I can't wait to use it in the actual, like, against an actual person. This thing looks like a freaking monster, though. I feel like it's just gonna destroy. Low-key, I feel like this is better than the heavy when it first came out. From what I heard about it, it's like so good. I'm still so confused on that glider redeploy thing, guys. I'm sorry for like I guess you could say lying to you, but like to be honest, I thought it worked because I've seen all these videos. But it's all good, guys. At least these freaking shotguns are back and they're good again. Thank God. All I know is next person I see, they're getting destroyed. Let's go. I hate trying to have a build battle in trees, bro. 23? Okay. I do not have the mats for this, my guy. Oh, God. $42? Okay. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. I just hit him for 100 body shot, bro. Holy crap, let's get it, boys. Dang, this gun's crazy. I want to test glider redeploy so bad right now, but I don't. Because I'm just so scared that I'm going to die from fall damage. How do I even get down from here? Bro, why does my glider, why does my map then keep doing that? It's so annoying. Yeah, I'm being so cautious. No!
Okay, she keep calling every single night.